In the days of Noah, the earth was filled with violence and corruption. God, grieved by humanity's wickedness, decided to cleanse the world with a flood. He instructed Noah, a righteous man, to build an ark and gather his family and pairs of every living creature. As the rain began to fall, it was not just water but a divine judgment, burning away the sins of the world. The floodwaters rose, covering the earth, but Noah's faith kept him afloat. When the waters receded, a rainbow appeared, symbolizing God's promise of redemption and hope for a new beginning.